Boom, I'm back in the old toy shed at the Heale Manor. Today I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing to start with, and then I'm going to fit what I'm unboxing to the Bantam. So this is an update on the Bantam Project. So what I ordered was a Kemimoto Complete Journey of Dreams. Whatever that's supposed to mean. So let's get on with the unboxing, shall we? So dun 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 dun. Oh, there's a black thing in there. Take the black thing off. Ooh, look. Oh, we've got a little white package. A white package. Who'd have thought it? Oh, and look. Whoa, check this out then. Just check this out. Look. A couple of mirrors. I've only gone and got myself a couple of mirrors for the Bantam. Now, all we've got to do now is fit them. Now, because I've been riding the Bantam about, because I've got it running fairly well. I found it difficult to sort of turn around and see what's coming or what's behind me. So what I've decided to do is get a couple of mirrors. So there you go. Let's attempt to fit them, shall we? Well, here we are. Now we're at the bike. Now it's time to fit the mirrors. We'll just do the one and then I'll do the other one slow time off camera. How's that? So I've got the piece for the handlebars. So you have to undo all that, and then what you've got to do is put it either side, give it a little bit of a start. It's going to be tricky because there's a lot of stuff on the handlebars. That's the top one done. Let's see if we can get the bottom one in there as well. Right, so all I've got to do now is just tighten these up, I guess. This looks like a fairly simple operation. Whether it'll pan out to be is something else. Whether they'll work or not is something else, of course, isn't it? So, yeah, good old tighten up. But don't want it coming loose, do we? So, I don't know whether it's going to tighten it up like this. He's going to... Oh. The arm works. Right, that's that. Now, to fit the mirror. Oh, look at that nice new shiny mirror. What I might need to do is move this out of the way. That's it. Just move that out of the way. Wind it up a little bit so we've got enough to wind in, and then we can adjust it. All one needs to do now is to start the thread. I'm sure it'll go in there. Oh, in there. It's probably what I suspect is that that's it, got it started. It might have just been a little bit of, what do you call it, stuff. Come to me in a minute. Paint. So, there you have it. And then all we've got to do is, once you sit on it, let's have a sit on it, and then I can adjust the mirror, can't I? See whether it'll work. Give it a turn. A little bit more. How's that? That's it. I can now see what's behind me. So all I've got to do is tighten that up, job done. What a result. Then I need to fit the one on the other side, and then I can go out and give it a test to see if I can see what's coming up behind me, if I can see what's sneaking up on me, because you know I've got a back and all that, and it's hard to turn around. The mirrors don't need to, do I? So that's it. Mirrors fitted. All we've got to do now is go and test them out. But I'll leave that for another day. So until the next time, TTFN, ta-ta for now.